In this video, we're going to show you how to fix annotation visibility in viewports in AutoCAD. Annotations such as text, dimensions, leaders, and labels play an important role in communicating information within a drawing. They help explain design details, provide measurements, and make drawings easier to understand. However, there may be times when annotations appear correctly in model space but disappear or display incorrectly inside a viewport. This can be frustrating, especially when preparing layouts for plotting or sharing with others. Annotation visibility issues are often related to viewport settings, annotation scales, or layer visibility. Fortunately, these problems are usually easy to identify and fix. Having annotations display properly in every viewport is important because it ensures that all necessary information is visible when drawings are printed or reviewed. By the end of this video, you'll learn a couple of simple methods to restore annotation visibility and make sure your layouts display correctly. So, let's get started. The first method is to check the annotation scale. Select one of the annotations that is not appearing correctly. Open its properties and verify that the appropriate annotation scale is assigned. If the viewport is using a different scale, the annotation may not display as expected. Adjust the annotation scale if necessary and then refresh the viewport. If the annotation still does not appear, check the layer settings. Open the Layer Properties Manager and confirm that the annotation layer is turned on and not frozen within the viewport. Sometimes a layer may be visible in model space but hidden in a specific viewport. Turn the layer back on if needed and check the viewport again. In most situations, these simple methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, verify that the annotation is using the correct annotation scale. Second, make sure the viewport scale is compatible with the annotation settings. And third, check that the annotation layer is visible and not frozen within the viewport. Remember that annotations are only useful when they can be seen clearly in the final drawing. Taking a few moments to verify scales and layer settings can prevent problems during plotting and project reviews. Proper annotation visibility helps ensure that dimensions, notes, and labels remain readable regardless of the viewport being used. It's also a good practice to review all layouts before printing so you can identify visibility issues early and avoid unexpected results. Understanding how annotations interact with viewports can make your AutoCAD workflow much smoother and help maintain professional drawing standards. And that's how to fix annotation visibility in viewports in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.